Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Nikitha Reddy.
Hey team, I'm Ranjitha.
Hi everyone, this is Harshitha.
I guess I'm Vikranth.
Hi team, I am Bhargav.
Hey team, I'm SaiKumar.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you for joining today's retrospective. Today we are focusing on what went well, what can be improved, and action items. Let's go through each of our what went well points in detail. Let's start with our daily stand-ups.
Yeah, Nikita, just give me a minute. I'll type all the points. Okay.
Yes, please go ahead.
So how's everything good?
Yeah, all good from my
Yeah.
side. What's up, guys?
How are you
Good.
guys?
Good.
Good, good.
What's
And
up,
okay, I
Ganesh?
mean, let this
What is
let
your
Sai
plan?
finish. I mean, we can just start with the daily stand-ups point. I mean,
Yeah, I'm done. Just give me a minute. Just give me a
yeah,
second.
sure,
Sorry.
sure.
No problem. Take your time.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Yeah,
Nikita.
guys, I think our daily stand-ups are consistent and to the point. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. It's good that we are
Yes,
meeting
there's some progress
often.
going on. Yes.
Do
Yeah.
you guys think like everyone is actively engaged?
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes.
we
Yeah,
we are
we,
Yes.
we
actually.
Yes.
are
yeah.
actively engaged in daily stand-ups, and we are trying to do our best in this project.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, which really helped us start the day aligned and focused.
I think
So
we are
yeah,
focusing. Yeah.
yeah. Ranjitha, please go
So,
ahead.
and next point, I have written team collaboration. So, throughout the sprint, we are having this teamwork and open communication was very evident, as you guys know. So, we are supporting each other and collaborating on our problem solving as well. So, so can anyone can share an example for what the positive outcome?
Yeah, it went well because like we are all working well together, and also like it is like we're sharing everything and it's good.
Yeah, yes, Harshita.
Yeah,
I
and
would
one more
agree with
thing
you.
is like helping each other is very. I like in our team spirit while helping others.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're pretty good about that point. I think.
Yeah, and then next I'll go with healthy workload balance. We maintained a healthy workload balance and tasks are distributed evenly. Do you think like everyone has did justice, like each given like tasks equally?
Y- Yeah, we had
Yes.
a
Yeah.
equal workload balance so that no one had any
Any
like
confusions? Yeah.
confusions. Yeah.
Yes, which helped avoid burnout and kept stress levels manageable for everyone.
Yes, yes. You're right with that point. Yeah.
Yeah,
So in the next point written by me, we have good problem solving. So good problem solving was pretty impressive in our group. So when you're we are very quick to identify the challenges and we are discussing everything, whatever problems we are having, and we are finding creative solutions as well instantly. So I liked in this group the problem solving. We are pretty much very quick.
Yeah, you're right, Ranjita. We are pretty quick solving any kind of stuff in this project.
And whatever challenge is coming, we are
Able
along.
to handle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are.
Yeah,
yeah.
as per my
As a team, we are.
observation, we went well, but we have to improve in problem solving. So this is the
Yeah,
most important part. Problem
Yeah,
yeah,
solving.
whatever.
you're right, Bhargav. But
Markup.
that point we will discuss in what can be improved, right?
Mhm,
Improved, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, next
Meeting
meeting deadlines.
deadlines. Yeah,
you can continue.
we did a fantastic job meeting deadlines and completing tasks. And also our planned work was achieved like without any problems, and we did an excellent time management. That's what I think. What do you guys think?
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
very
we
right
did. Yeah,
about that because we are decided a deadline for each meeting so that we can easily attend the meeting and we can
And
discuss about the
and
project.
time management
and
very
everyone is
went
following
well.
the deadlines also, and everyone is completing their works also. Like
Yeah,
Yeah.
whatever work is
all
there, they're
tasks are
completing.
completed in time. Yeah.
And I also
Yeah.
like to talk about all the, the knowledge sharing that happened during the process. I mean, the team really came together, by sharing all the knowledge they had and also by helping each other out. Everyone was very open to offering all their expertise in the field and which, made, tackling all the challenges much more easier. It created very supportive vibe and also
Mhm.
it created a space where we could all, learn together. I
Yes.
mean, what do you guys say? I mean,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will agree with you, Vikrant, because as I'm a machine learning engineer, I have supported front end and back end. Like that, we are trying to share our knowledge and we are trying to do our best for this project, I think so.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I wrote this point as an on-time task submission. So we successfully made the deadlines for task completion, and this helped them maintain a steady pace and stay on the track with our objectives. So I think we submitted each task on time, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yes, we
Everybody.
yeah,
did.
yeah,
Yeah,
we
the
did.
time management is very well this
Yeah,
time.
that's correct.
So this is the went well in our session. Whatever in the sprint, we did very well performed, like on time submission.
yeah, good. And I would like to talk about the retrospective follow through. We didn't just treat our retrospective as well as routine check-ins, but we are taken the previous retrospective like we are taken previous action items in that in this sprint we have done that well. For example, if someone raised a concern about any requirement, we made sure to include more detailed user stories, right? So why this went well means it showed that we take each other's feedback seriously. And what do you guys think about retrospective follow through which we did in this sprint?
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's
previous
doing well, but I
retrospective.
think we could
Yes.
make it more, inclusive. I think we can talk about that in what can be improved actually.
Yeah, but this is about the what changes that we did from our last retrospective. That's what I'm
Yeah,
trying
I
to
it,
tell
think
you.
it's good. Yeah,
we
yeah.
are we pretty much take it very seriously, like whatever we discussed in last retro
Last
sprint,
retrospective.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
yeah. That's what. And coming to our team, we had a good positive mindset. Finally, the overall positive mindset across the team has been good, and we had a constructive attitude, which helped us, face challenges in this project. Like
Mm.
uh, rather than getting discouraged, we helped each other in troubleshooting, right? What do you
I
guys
agree
think
with
in
you,
positive
Sai.
mindset? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
as
I
Yeah.
it we've
agree with
been
you.
through some difficulties in between, but yeah, with positive mindset, I think yeah, we are doing good so far.
Yeah, we having a positive mindset, we can develop our project in a good manner.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah,
We
you're
if
correct.
we had
Yeah.
a positive mindset, it keep our team energy and motivation uh, high, and even under pressure, we can do our uh, task well,
Yeah.
Exactly.
right?
So
Coming
yeah,
to
guys, I think we have covered all like what went well in our retrospective. Let's focus on what can be improved.
yeah,
Yeah.
just give me a minute. I
So I
will
could
tell
note down
all
the
this.
points here. Thank you.
Yeah,
Sure.
please.
Yeah. Who's
Yeah,
taking
I
over?
mean, am I good to go, Sai?
Yeah,
Yes.
you can.
I mean, I really like to talk about, I mean, the retrospective participation that we guys are having. I mean, we had like great retrospectives, but we could make them like more inclusive going on. I mean, sometimes I feel like not everyone feels comfortable speaking up, and we could do like more to take no more to make sure like everyone has the chance to share. I mean, it's about creating a space where everyone feels heard and valued, right? um
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, I think we
yeah, that
really
is
need to
good.
like focus on this point like going on through.
Yes, I think
Yes, some
I'm
team
pretty sure
members
with
may
that
be
point.
quieter and did not get a chance to share.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
I mean, I also like to talk about the decision making, the streamlined decision making. I mean, sometimes the decision making takes longer than it should. I mean, that is what I feel like, and we can actually improve that by being more clearer and more decisive on what we're doing, and we can find ways to simplify the process. Obviously, I mean, so that everyone feels confident in moving forward by being quicker with decisions, which helps us to stay like much more agile and more focused.
Yes, and here I want to mention about balance between focus and fun. So I think yeah, like we are balancing between as a team, like we are doing fun also and doing something really like doing which is not just a bit too far into heads down mode. And a little more fun and lightness could keep energy levels up. What do you think? What do you guys think?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
what you
correct.
Yes,
said is
yes, we need to
exactly correct.
actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we do
Do you
agree
have
with
any
you.
ideas about this? We could do anything more fun.
I
We
mean,
we can do fun in making a project efficient, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I want to tell this point like avoid last minute rushing. Like there were few sprints to finish line toward end and like it was really like stressful. So it's better like we make our task progressive. So what do you think? What can be like implemented to avoid this last minute rushing?
Yes,
We can.
we have
Yeah.
to improve that one because
Yeah,
in my BTech this is not an examination, so this is a
yeah,
project work. So everyone have to be work very well. Not in the last minute. You can't build last minute a good project, right?
Yes,
yes,
you're
yeah.
right.
That's what, yeah.
we could just ask Bhargav to be, more fun during the meeting so we can cover Nikita's point over here.
Yeah, I do.
See,
So next point, being more open to the suggestions. I think I feel we can improve is being more open to the suggestions. Sometimes in meetings or discussions, ideas are dismissed too quickly, and or we stick to that what we have always done. If we slow down and really listen to different perspectives, so everyone that seems unusual at first, but we might find better solutions or catch things what we have missed. And being open doesn't mean we have to say every time yes, yes to every idea. Yeah, but it helps
We
to
can think
build
about
trust.
it. Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, that
but
is what we have to make it more inclusive,
yeah,
making
yeah,
I
everyone's
think we
opinions
should
heard
build
about.
trust and make everyone feel heard. Let's create more space to that openness, I think.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely, yes.
okay.
we're agree with that point. Yeah.
so what I'm saying here, like, so everyone should be open-minded. Everyone have to be share their ideas. So what you guys are saying is correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's
it
it.
Yeah,
That's
is
it. Yeah,
correct.
that's
that's
good.
good. That's correct point, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm starting this point like minimize mental load with better planning. So I written this point to avoid feeling mentally overloaded, and we can plan tasks ahead of time, break them into smaller chunks, and prioritize them effectively. This will reduce last minute stress and enhance the focus. So, what you guys agree with this? Like, we have to
Yes.
minimize the mental load, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
So, instead of that, we can better plan as a fun way and effective development of the project,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, you're pretty good. And I would like to tell you about that. Avoid juggling too many tasks. Some team members were stretched thin. Where we should try to balance multiple priorities at once. We should not stick to the single work that we are going to perform in the project. We should be dynamic so that we can make our project efficient. What do you guys think about this?
Yeah, I agree with you,
Yes,
Sai.
It's good. I
agree.
mean, yeah,
I agree
definitely.
with
Yeah,
We
you, but
can,
what I'm
we can just
saying,
do
like,
one by one. Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, what I'm saying, like, not only one person manage many tasks, so we
Yeah.
have to give those other people to divide the tasks each other. So I think that is a good point. I was thinking what you are saying is a good
Yeah,
or any. If you have
yeah,
any other ideas?
yeah, let's ask how can we better support each other when workload start like this? So,
It's not like if a one person is doing multiple tasks.
mhm,
So if other person, we have to divide everyone equally.
yeah, yeah, that's the point I'm trying to tell you that we should flag that point where we are going to do that thing.
In this part,
And
we have to improve a lot.
yes,
Yes,
and
that is correct. Yeah.
yeah, and coming to the action items, I think we are done with what can be improved, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
So,
would you
Yeah.
guys like to talk more about
Yeah.
what can be improved, or can we just move on to the action items now?
what
Yeah.
do you guys think?
Yes,
Good. We
like
move
we
forward.
can go ahead with the action items. Like firstly, we can like improve documentation.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's, I mean,
improve.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah, like we'll make an effort to capture key decisions like what was decided, why and by whom. So this will help us will reduce confusion and backtracking later. That's what I think.
mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
Yes,
Exactly. Proper documentation is a very
Yeah,
good idea. Then it's
Yeah,
for future reference.
yes.
can actually show what
And
what kind of work is being done to the third party people
yeah,
with proper
like
documentation.
making simple formats is also good. And the
Yes.
next point is like centralized tracking.
centralized. Okay. What does this point mean to you, Harshitha?
Yeah, like we have to like consolidate project details like timelines, status and blockers into one shared location, where this will make it easy for the goal and without any digging around. That's what.
So the
Like
thing you're
we
talking
have to
about
keep
this,
in one platform. We have to keep track in one platform about the project.
yeah. So you're talking this about the project, right? Regarding the project, not
Yeah,
regarding the retrospective. Yeah. So yeah,
Yeah, I think I'm
I
gonna.
understand the problem. Like one shared platform to keep track our project info. You're trying to tell that thing, right?
yeah, yeah,
And
that's what.
yeah, that's good.
Sai finish his points first, so we can actually have an idea. Like we can
No,
just
no,
have an
no.
overview of all the points. I mean, if that's good.
Actually, we'll
So
just like discuss.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
okay, you're
Um.
asking me to note down all the points,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Just
Yeah.
start. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
think
just
we
give me a
can
second.
discuss and we can write down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm trying
Then.
to do here.
Yeah. Just let's
So we
discuss and I will
can.
write the points, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I can. I also want to talk about all the review on the sprint goals that we're having. I mean, I think instead of actually like just checking off all the tasks, I think, I mean, we really need to like think about what we really want to accomplish in like each sprint, where we can actually focus on the bigger outcomes. So it'll help us feel like more connected to the work and give us more clearer sense of the purpose. It's about like working together with the intention and knowledge, like where we are moving forward to go. I mean, where we are like um moving towards something that actually matters. So I think I like having like the sprint goals. I mean, a target sprint goal is like a really important thing to do.
Yeah,
So,
we agree with your Vikrant. Like you are trying to tell that we should focus on our outcomes and
Yeah,
task,
actually,
right?
like what to accomplish in like each sprint instead of actually like not just ticking off all the tasks and everything.
Yeah, you are saying not about the task. We have to focus on our
Yeah,
outcome,
just look
right?
at we can actually focus on the bigger outcomes if we like spend more time on our like what to do in like each specific sprint.
Yeah, sure. That's great.
Yeah,
we
so
will
Yeah,
focus on future sprint planning.
yeah, we'll do that in the next sprint, right? Yeah.
So, one
thank you.
thing we can improve is that giving the team more visibility into what's coming next, actually. So, sometimes it feels like we are only focused on the current sprint. And when the priority shifts or a new work is coming, it catches us off guard. And if we had a clearer view of what's ahead, even a rough roadmap will be there, right? It would help with the planning and reduce the last time stress, and uh, let us have a like a better view on everything also. And
Yeah,
having a yeah, you're
yeah,
saying something, sir?
that's good. We should be transparent about the project, right?
Hmm. And having a transparency on upcoming work also helps everyone more included in decision making, instead of just reacting when things are landing on or just on our
Yeah,
sprints.
yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
that's true. Mhm.
next I want to mention actionable follow up on yesterday's work. So here we'll focusing more about yesterday's work will make our daily stand-ups more actionable, especially when following up on yesterday's progress. Instead of just status updates and all, we can talk about like what has happened yesterday, and we can work more better on today's work, and we can make our decisions more accurate today.
Yeah, yeah, just looking at the bigger picture, for better outcomes. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And we are tracking the progress on our action items also for because of this.
Yeah, so we should act on the task that points that we discussed like yesterday work or the previous sprint
Yeah.
or previous action items.
Hmm.
Yeah, and
And
even
we are keeping it more visible also because of these action items.
yeah, that's what transparency means in our project.
Hmm.
Mm, Bhargav, you're trying to tell something?
Yeah, I just want to tell you. So we have to complete the retro action items.
Right. Sorry,
So
can you
here,
repeat? Can you
yeah,
repeat?
complete the retro action items. This is my point. I want to tell you.
Okay.
So each week we'll make sure to complete at least one action item from the
Mm,
retrospective. So this
okay.
will help us continuously improve our process, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
So the main thing
Yeah.
we will improve our process. This is our goal. What you guys saying about this?
Yeah, I agree with you, Bhargav here.
Yeah, and I would like to raise a point like we should clarify our priorities for the project. What you guys say?
Definitely,
Yeah,
we have to
Yeah.
just
clarify what.
pre-plan all the sprint, just ahead of the deadline.
Yeah. So we have to ensure
And
priorities are clear and reaffirm our regularity about the
Regular.
project. And
Okay.
Harshita, you want to talk about the clarify priorities? Or sometimes priorities shift
No,
mind
Nikitha.
sprint, and
Yeah.
we'll handle that better by reconfirming what's most important, when needed. And if something feels unclear, let's go align sooner rather than later. What do you guys say? We have to clarify our priorities immediately rather than let's see the next. What do you guys think?
Yeah, we should clarify the priorities every time, whatever action times coming in this.
Yeah.
What do you guys? Well, I think Nikita, are you agreeing on this point?
Yes, yes. If we clarify and reconfirming priorities, we can make our priorities much clearer than the previous picture.
So, and one more thing, like we have to check at least one retrospective action item every week. What do you guys think? So we have written here six to seven points. So we have to clarify each point each week. What do you guys think? That's my point, I think.
Yeah, that can work.
Yeah. So do you want to write these
yeah,
points or?
I just want to
Yeah,
write
we
a
can write
final
this
point.
point. Yeah.
So we have to track.
Yeah, Bhargav, you can go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to tell you a last final point. We have to track the progress. So here,
Regarding
Yeah,
what?
I think
sorry.
no, sir, just go ahead.
Yes,
Uh,
I once you finish up this, and I'm gonna continue the my
yeah,
points.
you can go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay. So you can write the track progress in the pad. So here regularly we have to check and report on the progress. And by doing so, we ensure we stay on the track and address issues earlier and make necessary adjustments. So while tracking our records or whatever we are doing the task, then it will be a very helpful to maintain our project development, right?
Yeah. I think we can all agree on a point where we have to like pre-plan the entire sprint before we actually do it, right? I mean
And
everybody
even
keeps
yeah,
saying the same point. Yeah.
and even tracking, and we can identify where we are lagging, right?
Yeah, we do.
Yes, yeah.
We agree with you. Right. Like regularly checking and report on the progress of the project, right? You are talking about that thing, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So I think we do agree with that, Bhargav. And what you guys think about the Bhargav?
Yeah, we agree with Bhargav. Yeah, that's true.
So, guys, to keep our retrospective meaningful, I think we'll aim to follow through at least one action item for each week. That's our point, and I think we are going to we are done here, right?
Yeah.
About this, yeah.
Would you
Yeah.
like anybody would like to add some more
Anybody would
points
like to,
or
yeah. So that we
so
can
I mean
discuss.
can we just wind up?
So I think we covered all of the points. So do you have
Yeah,
any other
I think we
points?
have covered everything.
I
No,
think we
I
covered
think we are
everything.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, we are good. We can
Yeah.
wind up.
If anything here needs more clarity or changes, we can adjust as a team. Yeah.
Yeah, that what the team collaboration mean, right?